I would say that why not many people know about all these beneficial effects of the tocotrienols, because not enough of publicity. It's not well made known to the public. And that's why it's very important that all this be made known to medical and health professionals, because these are the people who, once they know it, then they can use it and they can explain to the public, and then there will be more public awareness. Yeah, I think that the government should hold more campaigns locally and overseas. And I think MPOB and MPOC have really done a good job. For example, this year they had the Love My Palm Oil campaign. Maybe there should be more public forums inviting the public and also inviting those key opinion leaders to come in, those NGOs to come and listen. And this information be disseminated to them so that they can then disseminate down. At the same time, I think we can also invite some of these so-called NGOs who are campaigning against palm oil to go and see for themselves, go to the ground and look, rather than just based on hearsay. They can go to the ground and look how the palm oil plantations are being managed and how the policy of sustainability is being carried out. So all these are very important. Otherwise, these people just hearsay, just read from books or magazines or newspapers. Go to the ground and have a look, then they will understand it. And once they understand, hopefully they can share this information with others, with their peers and all that, so that this kind of a misconception can be corrected. I think one way that to be effective is to start them young, to make sure that our children, the school-going children, get the correct perception about our palm oil. Perhaps they can hold, workshops for school children, telling them the actual facts about our palm oil industry, how we manage the sustainability, etc., and the goodness of our palm oil, etc. And there are many studies that have been carried out by just baking cookies using our red palm oil and giving to children who are suffering from vitamin A deficiency. And these studies have been conducted in South Africa, in China, and some studies are still ongoing. They show that by just giving the children, school-going children, with these cookies baked with the red palm oil, it can decrease the vitamin A deficiency. So it's a very simple way of preventing vitamin A deficiency. So this awareness from young will certainly help. And this can be carried out in the schools. Perhaps working with the education ministry, where people can go down to the school and hold workshops for children on a regular basis, tell them the true facts about our palm oil.